Hey everybody, Genesis Jones here with Total G Shockers, and in part 4 of this video series, we'll be walking through how to set a registered point as the destination and also how to edit the navigation use history on your GPRB1000 Rangeman. Let's get started. So if you haven't already, go back and check out the first 3 videos of this video series. In part 1, we talked about the GPS technology a bit, how to start using the navigation on your Rangeman, how to change the display scale, and how to check the distance to your destination. In part 2, we talked about how to return to a start point, also known as the backtracking function, how to stop navigation, and how to delete a destination. In part 3, we walked through how to register your current location and how to view points on your GPR Rangeman. There was a lot of information, so I encourage you to check those videos out now. Let's walk through how to set a registered point as the destination. So step 1, you want to stop any navigation operation in progress. Now, we talked about how to do this in part 2 of this video series. Step 2, you want to press the rotary switch. Step 3, you want to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to setting. Then you want to press that rotary switch. Step 4, you want to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to goal. Then press the rotary switch again. Step 5 is to rotate the rotary switch again to move the pointer to point recall. Then you want to, you guessed it, you want to press the rotary switch again. Step 6 is to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to the point you want to specify as your destination. So selecting reset will delete the currently specified destination. Then you press the rotary switch. Step 7 is to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to yes and press the rotary switch. Now the message setting completed will appear after the destination is set. After a few seconds, the GPS navigation mode setting screen will reappear. Step 8, you want to rotate the rotary switch to move the pointer to navigation, then press the rotary switch. This will then start navigation. Now note, you can also use G-Shock connected to specified destination. I just wanted to show you the long and boring way. No, I wanted to walk you through it on the watch so that you know how to do it. All right, now we went through setting a registered point as a destination. Let's go into how to edit the navigation use history. Now in the editing mode, you can protect and delete navigation logs as required. So step 1, if a navigation operation is in progress, make sure to stop it. Again, we walked through this in part 2 of this video series. Step 2, you want to press the rotary switch. This will then display the GPS navigation mode setting screen. Step 3, you want to rotate the rotary switch to move the pointer to recall, then press the rotary switch. And step 4, you want to rotate that rotary switch to move the pointer to activity, then press the rotary switch. This will then display a list of dates and times that navigation was used. Now, if ever it comes to the point that you want to protect a log, follow these steps. Step 1, rotate the rotary switch to move the pointer to the log you want to protect. Step 2, you want to press that bottom right button. This will protect the selected log, and the protected point is indicated by the lock icon. Now to unprotect, just press the bottom right button again. In step 3, press the bottom left button as many times as necessary to return to the GPS navigation mode setting screen. Now let's just say that it comes to a point that you want to delete a log. Then follow these 4 steps. Step 1, press the top left button. Step 2, rotate the rotary switch to select a delete method. Now 1 deletes only the currently selected log, while all deletes all the logs. Step 3 is to press the rotary switch. this will delete the log or logs. Now if you selected all, press the rotary switch again to delete. If not, delete will also be executed automatically after about 10 seconds, even if you don't press the rotary switch again. And step 4, press the bottom left button as many times as necessary to return to the GPS navigation mode settings screen. Note that acquired log data can be transferred to a phone for more detailed viewing of routes traveled. So there you are. That's how you set a register point as a destination and how to edit the navigation use history. Now in part 5, we'll be walking through how to set the GPS signal receive interval and how to specify the distance unit. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when we drop our next video. That's all for now, and as always, continue to rock your G-Shock nonstop. Deuces!